What happens to council rates, water rates, and strata rates at settlement? A common question is, will you make sure that the rates are paid up to date and there's no outstanding bills when I buy a property? And this is part of the conveyancing process. So your solicitor or conveyancer will order searches and certificates as part of the process to ensure that we find out how much money is paid or outstanding with the council rates, water rates, and strata rates for any property. We will make sure that we look at how much money the vendor has paid or how much money the vendor owes on the bills, and we'll adjust it appropriately so that each party pays their proportionate amount at settlement. This works by us looking at, for example, in council rates, these rates are levied yearly and payable each financial year. So the rates can be paid quarterly, but they are calculated for the whole year at the start of each financial year so that an owner can know that they are going to pay X amount for that whole year's worth of council rates, which will generally include waste, other fees and charges, and collection charges, right? What we can look at is if the council rates are $2,000 for the year, we will divide that amount by the amount of days in the year, being 365 days. And then we will calculate and times the amount of days left in the financial year that the purchaser will be liable for the payment. For example, if you're buying a property and you are settling and becoming the owner on the 1st of July, you will pay for the whole financial year's worth of council rates. And we'll make sure that any existing bills are paid out at settlement so that no liability passes on to you as a purchaser. So it is important that we consider all of this when we're looking at any transaction and we make sure that the rates are paid so you're not left with a bill. If you've liked this content, please like, follow, or subscribe on the channel you're watching on. Thank you.